Okay, so for our executive summary, one of the corporations we interviewed was XDL, which is where their CEO works really hard to maintain a good reputation for the corporation, as well as being open-minded to the fact that we will need to learn more information and newer technology for the sake of the corporation's future. The second corporation we interviewed was Future Alpha's Education, which is where they use a lot of media extremely well because they believe that the key to success is to think from the student's perspective as well as providing the best solutions for them. The final interview we had was with Parent Dentals, and they mainly focus their advertisement methods on the traditional side due to their staff being more in the late 40s and 60s. However, they are well aware that it is very vital to learn more about the media because of the constant technological growth.
Hey guys, this is Zoya. I interviewed the CEO of XTL and I want to make this presentation now. Cao Wenjie, the CEO of XTL, is a person who is very receptive to new things. She trusts us young people and often invites us to her home for communication. She is also highly receptive to new media. With her keen business sense, she knows that it is a good time for her to make a transition. Due to the epidemic, many overseas customers have contacted XTL online, and she is relieved to entrust the whole operation of online media and the making of official website to our inexperienced young people. As I mentioned in the project, I saw the photos of her and Kazo in the Mori on the corridor. Her family photos and life photos from childhood. Her courage, diligence, and personal efforts have accelerated the operation of the whole enterprise and kept pace with the rapid development of new things in this area.
Hello, my name is Fan. I'll be introducing the key points from the research project. The 3 different companies we interviewed show different extent of utilizing media and embracing new technologies. The 2 companies I interviewed were the Future Alpha Education and Parent Dental Laboratory. The key findings from the interview were that first, the team that makes up the company contributes greatly to its business models and use of media and technologies. Because of Future Alpha's younger staff, they had a clear idea on which platform to advertise in order to attract more of their targeted audience. Another key point is that for industries such as dental or education, it works like an infrastructure where everything is connected. For example, in order to adapt new technologies in the education industry, there must be another well-utilized application other than Zoom. And same for the dental industry. Changes it needs to embrace in the future ties closely with the general flow of the dental industry across the globe.
Having positive work behavior means to be an approachable individual to get supportive feedback in a professional environment. The concept of positive organizational behavior in things like hope, optimism, and resilience serve as motivations that can impact job performance and work attitudes. In the XTL case, our interviewee was diligent when given tasks, but she was enthusiastic and optimistic despite having multiple obligations. Her optimism is significant, as she states that she is consistent in considering social outreach and advocacy about the future generation. Positivity also applies to clients in the form of customer satisfaction. According to Saidi et al., a good business strategy is achieving a sustainable competitive advantage. A high standard of competitive advantage offers good value for its customers, resulting in creating great profits through offering high-quality services at lower costs. In our research, customer satisfaction occurs by fully understanding the demographic and understanding media platforms. Better reputation is achieved, and competitive advantage is gained due to variable obtainable services offered.
I think the core elements that make effective teams are responsibility, feedback, accountability, and initiative. Responsibility is all about the different members of the team knowing their exact roles and executing them most effectively. Feedback is also a vital element of the team process. Giving feedback is a good way of promoting the team culture and relevance. The other element here is accountability. The team members should feel the push to deliver the desired results for the benefit of the team and the organization. In the context of our interviewee in this case, she noted 2 main elements about her management and leadership philosophy. The first one is the ability to convince her team members to deliver the desired results for the team and the organization. The other thing is to respect to customers. There are people that make the business relevant, so they should be treated with respect and dignity. Finally, there's the essence of attitude and quality of service.
For the education industry, similar to the service industry, more emphasis is placed on the attitude of employees and the quality of service. Updating the online teaching program in accordance with the special circumstance of the ongoing pandemic demonstrate the attention of the ability of education industry to respond and adapt to such circumstance in a timely manner. In regard to the dental industry, the focus is more on the research and the development of newer technologies. When collaborating with a good team, it is important to have full cooperation with each other, subdividing the complex work and then completing it by the diligent cooperation between the groups after distribution. In addition, for the packaging industry, more manufacturer industry are introducing automatic equipment into the production process. As a result, this has greatly reduced the need for human labor and has improved the quality and the efficiency of the work.